Welcome back to another episode of Tasty Tech. This salad is an absolute classic dish, popular in Australia. The savory roast pumpkin is what shines here. I haven't ever really even enjoyed pumpkin until I tried it roasted this way. The hearty butteriness of the pumpkin, the dressing, and pine nuts leaves it on the heavier side as far as salads go. The brown butter, vinaigrette, and pomegranate make it a great meal or side for autumn. Some of these ingredients are seasonal, so depending on where you live, you might have only a short window of time to make this. Here we go. Let's start out with our pumpkin. I like the Cinderella kind when I can find it. Just about any other kind will work, except for a larger jack-o'-lantern type. They're bred to be big and hollow and aren't as tasty. We're going to slice our pumpkin in just about half. This stem isn't much fun trying to slice through. Then, slice into wedges so we can trim off the skin. If you have a nice sharp peeler, that works too. Once peeled, cut the pumpkin into cubes of about 1.5 inches. Toss with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and spread out in an air fryer. In our air fryer, we will be roasting at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. For a conventional oven, roast at 430 degrees, flipping once after 20 minutes. You want the pumpkin to be blistered but not too mushy. While the pumpkin is roasting, heat the pine nuts in a pan over medium heat until golden brown. They will go from golden brown to burnt real quick, so keep a close eye on them. These babies aren't cheap. They will give off an amazing aroma when just about done. Remove the nuts from the pan and set aside. In a bowl, gently toss the arugula with 2.5 ounces of the brown butter dressing, the pumpkin, half the crumbled feta, and half of the pomegranate. Then top with pine nuts, the remaining feta, and pomegranate. There you have it. What did you think about the salad? Comment below, please subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. See you again soon.